Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to quickly react to messages on WhatsApp using your PC. With the new update, expressing your emotions has never been easier. Let's dive right in and explore how you can enhance your messaging experience with just a few clicks. First, you need to open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and have access to all your chats. Once you've opened WhatsApp, navigate to the chat where the message you want to react to is located. You can find all your chats listed on the left side of the screen, making it easy to jump between conversations. Now, let's get to the fun part. Reacting to messages. Find the specific message you want to react to within the chat. Once you've located it, simply right-click on the message. This will bring up a menu with various options, including the ability to react. From the menu, choose the reaction you want to use. WhatsApp offers a range of reactions, such as thumbs up, thumbs down, laughter, love, and more. Just click on the reaction icon that best represents your response, and it will be added to the message instantly. This new feature allows you to express yourself more effectively and engage with your contacts in a more interactive way. Whether you're responding to a funny joke or showing appreciation for a kind message, reactions make it easy to convey your emotions without typing out a response. By following these simple steps, you can quickly react to messages on WhatsApp using your PC. This update is part of WhatsApp's ongoing efforts to enhance user experience across all platforms, ensuring that you can communicate seamlessly whether you're on your mobile or desktop. So, go ahead and start reacting to those messages. With this feature, you can add a personal touch to your conversations and make them more engaging. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need more tech tips, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy messaging!